Dry, cracked skin on the hands that stings when you wash them. Painful lips that split every winter and bleed no matter how many times you apply lip balm. Rough elbows and heels that catch on clothing and never seem to soften, no matter what cream you try. For many seniors, these are not small inconveniences. They are daily struggles that only get worse with age. What seems like just dry skin is actually a warning sign. It means the skin barrier is damaged, circulation is weaker, and the body is not healing as quickly as it once did. And when these small problems are ignored, they often turn into bigger ones. Skin becomes thinner and more fragile, wounds take longer to close, infections appear more easily, and what used to heal in days can now take weeks. This is exactly why old doctors and traditional healers relied on simple remedies that worked. Long before today's endless rows of expensive creams and chemical lotions, they turned to natural, accessible ingredients that actually supported the body's ability to repair itself. One of the most overlooked yet powerful combinations is Vaseline mixed with lemon. At first glance, it seems too simple, but when you understand how it works, it makes perfect sense. Vaseline acts as a protective shield. It seals in moisture, prevents water loss, and creates a barrier that allows skin to heal without drying out. It doesn't just sit on the surface, it locks in hydration where the skin needs it most, giving cracks, cuts, and rough patches the environment they need to recover. For seniors, whose skin naturally loses oils and moisture with age, this protective effect is invaluable. Lemon, on the other hand, brings something Vaseline cannot provide. Fresh lemon juice is packed with vitamin C, one of the most important nutrients for skin repair and collagen production. It also contains natural acids that gently exfoliate dead skin cells, brighten dark spots, and disinfect small wounds. Its antioxidants fight free radicals that accelerate skin aging, while its vitamin content stimulates new collagen fibers, exactly what thinning, fragile skin needs after 60. When you combine the two, you don't just get moisture or vitamins separately, you create a treatment that protects, heals, and nourishes at the same time. The Vaseline holds the lemon's nutrients against the skin, allowing them to penetrate and work more effectively, while also preventing dryness and irritation. This simple mixture becomes a powerful homemade remedy that addresses not just one, but multiple health problems naturally: dryness, cracks, slow healing, dark spots, brittleness, and even inflammation. This simple mix of Vaseline and lemon has been trusted for generations because it tackles so many everyday problems at once. For seniors, whose skin becomes thinner, slower to heal, and more sensitive to damage, this remedy offers protection, hydration, and nourishment in ways that store-bought creams often fail to deliver. Let's go deeper into how it helps. Cracked heels remain one of the biggest struggles. Dry skin builds up layer after layer until it splits under pressure, causing painful fissures that can even get infected. Vaseline softens the hardened surface, while lemon gently exfoliates and kills bacteria. The combination not only improves appearance, but actually supports healing from the inside out. With nightly use, seniors often notice smoother, stronger heels in just a week. Chapped lips are another painful condition. Lips lack oil glands, which means they dry out faster with age. Seniors who use the Vaseline and lemon mix protect their lips from cracking, while vitamin C from lemon stimulates collagen, keeping lips plump and resilient. Unlike chemical balms, this natural treatment both seals and heals. Age spots and pigmentation patches can be emotionally frustrating. They make skin look older and can be difficult to treat. Lemon's citric acid brightens these dark areas and helps fade discoloration, while Vaseline locks in antioxidants, giving them time to penetrate deeper layers of the skin. Over time, spots lighten and skin tone becomes more even. Rough elbows and knees, thick, scaly, and often ignored, benefit greatly from this mixture. The skin in these areas has fewer oil glands and tends to harden quickly. The Vaseline lemon mix penetrates deeply, softens rough patches, and stimulates new cell turnover, making these areas smoother and healthier. Minor burns, scrapes, and sun damage often take weeks to heal in older adults. Lemon provides antiseptic and antibacterial protection, reducing the risk of infection, while Vaseline locks in moisture to speed tissue repair. The result is faster healing with less scarring. Nail and cuticle health also improves with regular use. Many seniors deal with brittle nails that crack and peel or cuticles that dry and split. By massaging the mixture into nails, the nail bed gets hydration, cuticles become softer, and nails grow stronger. The lemon also helps fight fungal buildup, keeping nails looking healthier and more natural. Dryness inside the nose may sound minor, but it can be extremely uncomfortable and lead to nosebleeds. Applying a very thin layer of Vaseline mixed with lemon juice prevents cracking and keeps nasal tissue hydrated, while providing antibacterial benefits. For seniors who live in dry climates or use indoor heating, this can be a lifesaver. Eczema patches and chronic dry spots are often difficult to manage. While Vaseline locks in hydration, lemon brings anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Together, they calm irritation, reduce itching, and promote healing. Used carefully on sensitive areas, this mixture can bring lasting relief from flare-ups. Another overlooked benefit is skin elasticity. Over time, skin loses firmness and becomes prone to sagging and fine lines. Lemon's vitamin C boosts collagen synthesis, restoring structure and elasticity, while Vaseline ensures hydration stays sealed inside the skin. Applied regularly to areas like the face, neck, or hands, this mix can slow the visible signs of aging. Scalp health is another area where this remedy shines. Many seniors suffer from dry, flaky scalp, or brittle hair. Gently massaging a small amount of Vaseline and lemon onto the scalp nourishes hair follicles, reduces dryness, and helps control dandruff thanks to lemon's antifungal properties. With time, the scalp becomes healthier and hair stronger. Joint and hand care is yet another use. Seniors often develop rough, dry hands with painful cracks, especially from frequent washing. Applying the mixture as a hand mask at night softens the skin, heals microcracks, and strengthens flexibility. Lemon's vitamin C also supports collagen, which is crucial for tendons and ligaments in the hands. Even stretch marks and scars can benefit. Lemon helps fade darkened tissue and lighten old scars, while Vaseline keeps the area hydrated and flexible. While results vary, consistent use can make scars and marks less visible over time. Finally, this remedy provides a powerful barrier against everyday irritants. Seniors who deal with constant exposure to soaps, detergents, or cold air often notice their skin breaks down faster. Vaseline creates a shield, while lemon repairs and rejuvenates. The result is skin that's more resilient, less prone to cracking, and better protected against further damage. So when you put it all together, cracked heels, chapped lips, dark spots, rough elbows, small wounds, brittle nails, eczema patches, dry nasal passages, wrinkles, scalp dryness, hand care, and scars. The combination of Vaseline and lemon becomes more than just a home remedy. It's a complete toolkit for restoring and protecting skin health in ways that are simple, affordable, and surprisingly effective. So here's the takeaway. The small problems seniors face every day, cracked heels, chapped lips, brittle nails, dry hands, or even slow-healing wounds, are not just cosmetic. They are warning signs that the skin barrier is weak, circulation is slowing, and the body's natural healing ability is declining. Left untreated, they open the door to bigger issues, infections, constant discomfort, and faster aging of the skin. That's why old doctors and healers often turn to simple remedies that worked. Vaseline mixed with lemon may look basic, but it is one of those timeless solutions. Vaseline locks in hydration, seals and protects damaged skin, and gives the body time to heal. Lemon brings vitamin C, natural acids, and powerful antioxidants that disinfect, brighten, and stimulate collagen. Together, they form a safe and effective remedy that targets multiple problems at once. The truth is, not every solution has to come from a pharmacy or a high-priced cream. Sometimes the most powerful answers are the simplest. A jar of Vaseline and 1 lemon can treat dry skin, soothe irritation, lighten age spots, strengthen nails, and even slow down the signs of aging. And unlike many chemical products, this combination works with your body, not against it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more senior health tips like this one. And let me know in the comments, type yes if you're ready to try this simple remedy, or no if you still have questions. Your health after 60 doesn't need to be complicated. Old doctors knew that nature provides the tools, we just have to use them. Sometimes, the answer is already sitting in your kitchen.